Hello Beez Bladers, and welcome newcomers to the channel. I have an exciting unboxing for us today. This is a knife that I have wanted for months, and every time it's been available, I either don't have the funds or I hem-haw around and sell it, or they sell out by the time I decide to pull the pin. A very generous subscriber who is a Beez Blades patron has donated this knife to the channel. I can't tell you how much I appreciate this and how excited I am to see the knife. So let's do this. I'm going to unbox it today with, if you guys haven't heard of Lefty EDC, go check out his channel and tell him that Beez Blades used his favorite knife to unbox a knife today. And tell him it was the knife with the bacon scales that's just his favorite beautiful knife. Can't wait. So, the suspense is killing me. I don't want to open it, but I want to open it, kind of like Christmas. So let's see here. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Open with care. Are you guys excited? I know I am. I have wanted this knife. I swear, every time that it comes out, I either don't have the money or I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get it. And then I go to check out and I realize it's sold out. Hey, we got peanuts. All kinds of peanuts. Oh, wow. Did we get anything else besides peanuts in here? It's very well packed. Very well packed. And this came from Blade HQ. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Man, I've got peanuts falling all over the place. Okay, we got the peanuts out of the way. So what do we have here? CO1C Kizer 3.3 inch sheepdog knives, and your model number is V4488C1. Got a 154 cm blade, and it's black with black micarta and steel liners, and it's made in China. This box, I'm not sure why it has a rubber band around it. Looks like it's been opened before. Some have been in my packages. Maybe it's all right. Okay, boys and girls, it's the moment of truth. Here we go. And here is the package, the insert. I'll show you what that looks like without ripping it. Get a nice Kizer cloth here, which is really cool, very nice. I love all these cloths. And here's, I think this is kind of your typical Kizer insert. Get all that good stuff on there, and I'll show you this side real quick if you want to take a screenshot, and a screenshot, and another screenshot. And there's all that good stuff. So, oh my gosh, here we go. Here we go. I thought I had all the peanuts cleaned up. They got all over the place. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Would you look at it? Just look at it. Holy cow. This thing is sweet looking. Oh my gosh. Let's open it up. Screenshot time. Oh wow, look at that. I gotta remember to narrate here because I'm kind of in awe of this sheepdogginess. Wow, would you just look at that. So guys, in case I didn't say it before, this is the full size, no flipper sheepdog. There's a mini sheepdog and an XL. So you've got options. This knife you can get on, well, you could. The thing is, it doesn't take long after this one, after it comes available, for it to sell out. So I don't know if it's available or not right now, but I will put links in the description and I'll let you guys know if it's not right now when it'll become available. So this knife was on Blade HQ for $99, and it was also on Mojave Outdoors, I believe, for like 80 bucks, but I missed it. My problem has been every time it becomes available, I always miss it, or I don't have the funds at the moment. I mean, it is, oh my gosh, this thing is so cool. So, hey guys, I will take my own measurements after the video and I'll post them up here on the screen for you, so you can read or pause it or take a screenshot and check them out, or you'll have it for later. So just look forward to that, okay? So, well, you're already looking at it. So I'm gonna check this out from side to side. Let's weigh it real quick and go through it and see what I think about it. Get the old scalio out here. And what's it gonna be? It is 4.45, so 4.46 ounces. It weighs less than the Manix 2. The Manix 2 weighs 5, so it's not as heavy as I thought it was going to weigh. So that's pretty cool. So let's check it out up close. Oh, look at that. You got a nice double swedge. And oh my gosh, Talk about a nice edge. Ooh, it comes sharp. Grabbing the fingerprints. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. So what we have here, 154 cm, and that's probably the model number. I'm not sure. V4488C1. And on this side of the blade, Sheepdog Knives, and it's the CO1C. Wow, that is a nice, oh my gosh, I knew I was going to like it. And look at that nice big pivot collar. Big old oversized pivot. And I love this micarta. Kizer's micarta is one of my favorites. It has such a nice texture. It's nice and it's not sharp up here on the edges. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Let's look at this side. Oh, I like that stone wash. That's a really nice stone wash. That's a mean looking blade, isn't it? Isn't it though? Isn't it? There's your pocket clip. And let's see, I'm curious. Is this? Yep, got a T8. And I'm guessing these are T6s. What? Hold the bus. Got T8s down here too. Wow, that's pretty sweet. And T6s for the pocket clip. That's not a surprise. I'm curious. I'm pretty sure that we've got caged ball bearings in there. It's pretty tight. Can we see them? Can I see them? Ooh. I don't know. Let's do this. Oh yeah, you can just barely see them in there. So I know it has a bearing race, which is kind of like I don't know, kind of like a track, if you will, for the bearings. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All along the back, there's no spacer. You can see straight through here. You got a couple of nice barrel spacers back there. You have no screws sticking out, no mushrooms growing in the shade under your pocket clip. Pocket clip seems pretty sturdy. I thought it'd be a little stiffer. I'm just excited. I'm telling you what. And are we centered? We're centered. Very nice. It's already smooth. And what kind of lockup we got here? Looks like, oh, I don't know, about 40-45%. That's pretty cool, guys. Oh, and there's no lock stick whatsoever. Oh, that is so nice. And of course, the water softener had to kick on. Let's check out the action. Oh my goodness. That is so smooth. No blade play, no lock rock. And look how smooth this is. It's just so super smooth. Oh my gosh. So here's their action. Look at that. Will it shut? Oh, right out of the box. Look at that. Look at that. Would y'all look at it? Sorry guys, I'm just super excited. Been wanting to do this forever. And it just shuts itself already. Holy cow. Can you hear that? Listen. Oh, this is sweet. Let's do some quick size comparisons. All right, I'm gonna zoom in here for you. And I'm gonna put up the regulars. Here's the Spyderco Tenacious and Spyderco Manix 2. I always pop them up for you. So, it's pretty much the blade that makes this look like such a chunker. But in reality, size-wise, as far as your handle, the handle's about the same as the Tenacious. There's not a whole lot of like difference as far as the length. Here's the Para 3. I know a lot of you guys have the Para 3. And here's another one. Some of you may have just got, because every time it gets released, it gets sold out too. There's the Demko AD20.5. And we put a couple popular knives up here that you guys might have. Here's a Civivi Baklash. I really like the look of this knife. I don't know if I've told you that yet or not. And here's a QSP Penguin. Now that's a knife a lot of people have. You can see I mean, as far as blade length, it's not like it's not a super long blade. It's got a very high profile. So there's your size comparisons. Now here's one that I was curious what it would look like up against, or up next to, is the CJRB Crag. And you can see they look very similar. I mean, this handle's just got this one like blown away. But as far as the blades, they're very similar. This one looks a lot meaner. If you guys are still watching, do me a solid and show your support with a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, what the heck are you waiting on? But as far as the deployment, I really like doing that pinch open. Let's move out here. That pinch open. And I gotta move over here to the side. That is so easy. I think even the Detent Diva would like this one because, oh, that is so nice. All right, now as far as my hand size, from here to here is 4 inches. From here to here is 3.5. From the tip of my finger right to the base of my palm is 7.25. So as far as your ergos, man, that's comfortable. That is comfortable. Ooh, we got some nice jimping going on. This jimping, I like this. It grabs your finger, but it's not aggressive. It's like just right. And it's not because I'm overly excited about getting this knife. I'm going to tell you if something doesn't feel good. Now, how's it going to feel pushing through something? Feels pretty comfortable. Nothing's biting or grabbing. You can't even feel that pocket clip. Look how low profile that pocket clip is. That's pretty cool. But pushing, doing a pull cut, check this out. I forgot about that. You can choke up on this bad boy and do some heavy cutting. It's not necessarily a choil. It's more like a kind of a landing pad or a ramp for your hand to fit on. Man, that is comfortable. Holy moly. So as far as ergos are great. So you can flick it open. Can I do it with my thumb? I can do it like that. I can do it with the meat of my thumb or my fingernail. The reverse flick is super easy. I love to pinch open a knife. That is super sweet. So far, I'm not really, I mean, I'm going to look for something. Okay, if I squeeze really hard, I can kind of feel this bump on the inside, but I think it depends on where I put my hand. That bump maybe could be a little bit less pronounced. Now here's something really nice, access to the lock bar. You see it's got really good access to the lock bar. That's very nice. I like it when you don't have to dig your finger in there man, it is just so smooth. I just can't believe how smooth this knife is. I mean, look at this. It shuts itself. So, hey, I don't have a whole lot bad to say yet. This is just my first impressions. I'm going to carry it and use it. And, man, I'm impressed with that edge. Can you see that edge? I mean, it's very even. Very surprised. But I know a lot of you guys have either the mini or the regular or the XL. What's your opinions on it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Tell me down in the comments. Anything good? Anything bad? I don't know. But I want to thank everybody for stopping by to check this knife out with me. This is exciting. I can't wait to play with this knife. I'm going to drive my wife nuts flicking this thing all night. But whether you're new to knife collecting or this is like your old hat, learn something, teach something, hang out with us all. Either way, I'm very happy you guys were here. Just remember to keep a Band-Aid handy and don't cut yourself.